Okay, y'all, so welcome back to my channel. So if I'm recording this right, you should have gotten the pregnancy announcement video before this video. So I just wanted to show y'all what we're working with so far with the nursery. These are some bookshelves I put together from IKEA, pictures from Hobby Lobby, a few items that we have. I went to go get a small thing of laundry detergent from Target. And then these are clothes that I need to wash. We put the crib together also from IKEA. Bassinet. We kind of need to, and I have one box of diapers. We kind of need to organize this. I need to hang the pictures. So I'm going to bring y'all along and hope y'all enjoy.
Just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it now, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold.
Okay, y'all, so this is the laundry detergent I picked up from Target. It's the Honest brand. I want to say it was like $14.99 or $15.99. It was a tad bit expensive, but I was trying to look at different options, things that didn't have so many chemicals. So if y'all have any suggestions, just leave any comments down below.
Night is over the park and a few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it now, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it now, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold. I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before.
Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. I got the command, if you can see it, the command hooks up to 16 pounds, if this will focus. And it comes with a little, I was going to go get a level, but it comes with a little level, so that's pretty handy. I just wanted to show y'all that.
Okay, so I really have got to start working on this nursery. We do have the basics, like the rocker, the crib, the old dresser we painted. Y'all be sure to go check out that dresser restoration video. I'll link it in the description box. But I bought these pictures from Hobby Lobby. Of course, I bought them on like their 50% clearance sale maybe about 2 months ago, and I've just never hung them up. So I'm gonna hang these up now. I want to do not a gallery wall, but some type of painting behind the crib, so I need to figure that out. And I also want to get a sign with my baby's name on it. I just kind of need to get things together. I am 27 weeks. I made 27 weeks on Monday, which was yesterday, so time is just going by so quickly, and I feel like there's so much to do. So I wanted to get these clothes washed, folded. I put them into the drawers. I don't have any drawer bin organizers yet, but I do want those, and hung these pictures up. So I thought this was a good start. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all be sure to hit that red subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and leave any comments down below. Bye.
I finally stopped.